How to use the subway in America. I am currently in New York City, and this is a subway machine. You can find this in any subway. Come up to the touch screen and tap. Choose your language. I've already got a Metro card, so I'm going to press onto Metro card. And I'm going to refill your card. If you want a new one, you can pay an extra $1. So press refill, insert it here, and choose how much you want to top up and how to pay. I'm not going to top up, so I'm going to just show you another option. So let's go back onto English. Single ride is valid for 2 hours, so you can make lots of transfers within those 2 hours. There's only $3. I press pay by cash. These are the coins and bills they accept. It also gives out change and a receipt, or you could pay by card. A popular option is actually to get the new card and buy a regular Metro or the unlimited ride. Here it says how many days and how much it's going to cost in total. And then you'll end up with one of these little Metro cards once you've paid. Take a picture of the subway map or just download the app. You can find your way from A to B by following the coloured lines. It could be empty or it could be very busy. Just watch out for those rats. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.